Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are discussing about an international Japan program, that is NIG Intern Program 2026. So here NIG stands for the National Institute of Genetics Program, which is going to publish an internship opportunity for Indian students and from all the students all around the world. And the students who can apply for these internships must hold a graduate and a postgraduate degree. Even PhD students are also eligible to apply and encouraged to uh, gain an opportunity in this international program, which is hosted by NIG Japan. So here we are going to discuss about who can apply and what are the eligibility criteria for this program. So clearly mention that the students having degree in bachelor's or master's or PhD students and are in pre-final semester or pre-final year are very encouraged to apply. This opportunity is very highly competitive. So all over the world, 1240 applications are were selected for 2025. So and in this year, maybe this is the main criteria or the students who are encouraged to apply. So maybe the possibilities are very less, but this is a good opportunity and you must apply and you must gain this kind of international program. So how to apply? We are first going to watch what are the international guidelines and what are the eligibility criteria that they are asking for. So requirements are letter of motivation, curriculum vitae, scanned transcripts, and two letter of recommendation. So this is general kind of requirements that is needed by every national and international institute for internship or any academic seminars or conferences. So you have to write a 500 words English letter of motivation, then curriculum vitae, your updated curriculum vitae according to this internship. Those who are studying in genetics, bioinformatics, and molecular biology are highly eligible to apply or to participate in this program. So you must update your curriculum vitae according to this. The scanned transcripts of all the semesters from your class 10th onwards to your last degree that you have attended or you are pursuing. Two letter of recommendation from your research guide or supervisor or your teacher, that they should mention your qualities, professional and personal, at both level, and the opportunity that you want or any support from the institute. So in this letter you have to conclude all the statements regarding your personal biodata and professional research opportunities or techniques that you have learned. All these things are submitted through an online portal system. So we will discuss and we will reach up to that also. Then the application deadline is 5 January. So you have to submit your application before 5th January to 2026, before the deadline. And there should be an interview for those who are selected because it is highly competitive. So thousands of applications throughout the world they are receiving, and from this only hundreds application got selected. So for that screening process is there. Then online registration and NIG intern application, you have to click on this link, and again the next portal for the NIG internship application 2026 will open. There is no registration fees, just you have to go through the deadline and guidelines properly and submit the application. Results will be announced in the late February. Time schedule is provided here. So you get all the information from this website, that is NIG Internship 2026. You just have to type this information on Google and carry out your screening process for this internship. If any query, you can reach out to this email. They will probably and possibly revert back to you. So what are the financial support and what is the main focus of this internship we will discuss. So financial support, you will receive an amount of 2 lakh JPY, Japanese yen, and which is going to be your round trip airfare. So this is not a fully funded program. Half cost will be beared by the NIG and half cost will be beared by the participants. So any amount exceeding from 2 lakh JPY is in case of round airfare or in turns place of residence will be beared by the participant. The domestic travel expense, if you are traveling inside Japan, so you have to bear it. Accommodation approximate, that is 70,000 JPY for 39 nights per person. They are providing there, so you have to pay. And living and miscellaneous expenses have to be paid by the participants. Only 2 lakh JPY round airfare and intern place of residence are in the funded program of NIG and travel insurance. The internship period will be from June 8 to July 17. So you have to be present there in an offline, in a physical mode. And if any queries, you can simply reach up to this website that they have provided in this section. So this is nig/intern@nig.ac.jp. So this internship is really a good opportunity. Not many, mostly students from India travel to Japan for highly research programs and highly opportunitized research programs in Japan. So you can apply and remember the letter of motivation and recommendation is have to be very specific and have to be very much detailed about you, so it will make you to fit in this internship. So thank you very much and have a good day.